takeoff briefing.
Decision speed 134, full reverse up to this speed on the remaining engines. We have more or less a dry runway. It's a 340, technically no problem. Thereafter we go airborne and we fly the AOC, which calls for a straight out climb.
Yep.
To 6 miles.
Okay.
A right turn to Zurich East. Doing the cleanup at least 4,000 feet. We climb further towards Zurich East, climb the holding pattern, repositioning if necessary, fuel dump if the time is not enough and it's a top emergency. We make an overweight landing on runway 16 back in Zurich.
Okay.
That's completed.
Takeoff briefing completed?
Yeah. Fine, ready? This one, huh?
Mm-hmm. I'm ready. And takeoff thrust is set.
Checked.
Checked. V1. Rotate.
Gear up. About 20-25 more.
Flaps that one. Checked.
Seatbelts off.
Okay.
Okay.
And the lights.
Lights. Yeah, lights.